As the coordinator for the AgriLife Extension Pesticide Safety Education Program, Don Renchie says he knows how important proper use of production tools in the field is. Proper education also means debunking misinformation.
The average consumer also thinks that there's more pesticides used in the production of food than there really are. On an annual basis, there's about 857 million pounds of pesticides used to produce all the crops, all the livestock, all those types of agricultural enterprises that we do. But there's more than 900 million pounds of just wood preservatives and another 2.6 billion pounds of water treatment chemicals.
According to the World Health Organization, the improper use of pesticides can cause adverse health effects like blisters, rashes, and even cancer. It's also important to use the proper amount of pesticide for the size of your plot.
There's not a lot of difference other than the fact that on a production basis, obviously we're going to use more because we're covering more acreage. But on a per capita basis, the consumer at home may be using more than we are, simply because in many instances they aren't properly educated.
And there's been an overall trend of reduced risk from pesticides due to the USDA's pesticide data program, major improvements in science and data, and an increase in the use of safer and less toxic pesticides.
They've spent all their time making certain that all you had to do was go down to Kroger or over to HEB and it was waiting on you in a cooler. This is a great place to live. We do have a very safe, the safest food supply and most abundant food supply in the world.
That's a look at Central Texas agriculture from the ground up.
From the Ground Up is sponsored by Producers Cooperative, proudly serving agriculture since 1943.